Hey guys, are you tired of spending hours styling your hair every morning? You are not alone. In 2026, the biggest hair trend is effortless beauty. Welcome back to my channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine with good health and very happiness. Today we are counting down the best low maintenance short hairstyles that look amazing with zero effort. From Chic bobs to AG pixies, these are the ultimate wash and go looks for busy women. First of all, I'll share with you the classic blunt bob. This cut is lifesaver because the ends are cut straight. It always looks polished and neat. Whether you have straight hair or a bit of a wave, this style keeps its shape for weeks. It's the perfect professional look that requires almost no daily styling. Just brush and go. If you want to go even shorter, the Tapered Pixie is your best friend. By keeping the sides short and leaving a little texture on top, you get a style that wakes up ready to go. A teeny bit of hair wax or moss is all you need to add some grit. It's bold, it's beautiful, and it saves you so much time on hair wash days. For those who love a bit of volume, try this Shaggy crop. The layers are designed to look messy or pure pose, which is the definition of low maintenance. This style works wonder for fine hair, adding instant body. The best part, the more under its look, the trendier you are, is perfectly imperfect. Which of these low maintenance looks would you try? Let me know in the comments and share with me your opinion, your ideas, your suggestion about short hair, anything about short hair for girls, for women, for mature women, anything. Share with me, and as soon as possible I'll become latest and new trendy ideas for you. So please must share with me, because your support, your opinion and your suggestion very important for growing channel. So please must share with me. I'll wait. And don't forget to like and share and subscribe my channel. So beautiful girls and ladies, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.